What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with chemistry and math questions, start now by subscribing this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. This video I want to show you the first 10 members of the homologous series of linear aldehydes, and these are the simplest form of linear aldehydes. First one, which is the simplest aldehyde, carbon. So we have carbonyl group and is bonded with 2 hydrogen atoms. That's the simplest one and it's called formaldehyde. Next one is the one that has carbonyl group and we have methyl in one side and hydrogen in the other side. So we have 2 carbons. We call it ethanol. The other one has 3 carbons. So it means that we have carbonyl, hydrogen one side. That's why it's aldehyde. And we have ethyl on the other side. So we call it propanol because we have 3 carbons. Next one, we have 4 carbons. One side propyl carbonate group and we have hydrogen. We call it butanol. Next one, 5 carbons, so pentanol. The one after, we have 6 of them. We call it hexanol. The one we have 7 is heptanol. As you see here, all the suffixes are al because we are dealing with aldehydes. Next one, 8 carbons, so it's going to be octanol. 9 carbon, nonanol. And last one, which has 10 of them, is decanol. I provided the general formula for all these 10 aldehydes. As you see here, the general form is CnH2nO. So it means that the number of hydrogens for aldehyde is 2 times bigger than the number of carbons, and we have 1 oxygen always, like CH2O, C2H4O. So as you see here, the number of hydrogen is always double than the number of carbon atoms. The number of hydrogen atoms is double than the carbon atoms. C2H4, C3H6, and so on. So now I want to show you the other names for all these 10 members of aldehydes. So the first one is, as you saw in the previous sheet, it was formaldehyde, and there are some other names for that, which are methanol, methaldehyde, and formaldehyde, most common name for chemical. Next one is ethanol, C2H4O. The other names are acetaldehyde and ethylaldehyde, and we have some other names, but I provided here the most common one. C3H6O is propanol. We can also call it N-propanol or normal propanol, 1-propanol, or propylaldehyde. Next one, C4H8O, which is butanol. We can also call it N-butanol or normal butanol, 1-butanol, butylaldehyde, or butanaldehyde. Next one, we have C5H10O or pentanol. We have different names like normal pentanol, N-pentanol, 1-pentanol, and also pentylaldehyde. Next one, we have hexanol, C6H12O. We have hexanaldehyde, capraldehyde, normal hexanol, 1-hexanol. These are all the names for hexanol, linear hexanol. Next one, linear heptanol, C7H14O. The other names can be N-heptanol, normal heptanol, 1-heptanol, heptylaldehyde, heptanaldehyde. These are all different names for heptanol. Next one is linear octanol, C8H16O, normal octanol, octalaldehyde, 1-octanol or N-octanol, capraldehyde or aldehyde C8. These are the names for this linear octanol. Next one is nonanol. We have C9H18O, nonaldehyde or nonalic aldehyde or aldehyde C9 or normal nonanol or 1-nonanol. These are different names for linear nonanol. Next one is decanol. Again, all of them ends with AL. C10H20O. So normal decanol, N-decanol, 1-decanol, aldehyde C10, or capric aldehyde. These are all most common names for these compounds, decanol. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching today, and have a great day.